Saturday, the 1st of November 2025. Episode 76. While Kritika's surprise plan fails, Swaraj convinces her to accept Ajay's gift. Later, Sulakshana finds Ghost Vaibhavi's box and threatens Shashikant with opening it. Sunday, the 2nd of November 2025. Episode 77. Kritika freaks out when she and Durgesh attempt to summon Ghost Vaibhavi. Unaware of her presence, Kritika partakes in Vaibhavi's special plan. Monday, the 3rd of November 2025. Episode 78. Swaraj feels delighted as Vaibhavi dances wearing the ghungroos. While she hugs him, a dejected Kritika asks her to make a promise. Tuesday, the 4th of November 2025. Episode 79. Sulakshana is shocked to see a mysterious symbol on her bed. While Shambhavi requests Shashikant to tell her about the symbol, Seema asks Shinde to throw the wall clock. Wednesday, the 5th of November 2025. Episode 80. Shambhavi gets injured while discovering the antique wall clock. Later, Sulakshana accuses Vaibhavi of causing trouble in Anandwan. Thursday, the 6th of November 2025. Episode 81. Sulakshana convinces Swaraj to take Kritika and visit Pimpalgadi. While Vaibhavi experiences a strange occurrence, Sulakshana executes her devious ploy. Friday, the 7th of November 2025. Episode 82. Swaraj fears the consequences of visiting Pimpalgadi. Later, Vaibhavi decides to accompany Shambhavi during her visit to Pimpalgadi. Saturday, the 8th of November 2025. Episode 83. Swaraj fears his visit to Pimpalgadi after a strange encounter. As Ghost Vaibhavi is trapped in the house, she questions Shambhavi. Sunday, the 9th of November 2025. Episode 84. Ajay convinces Vaibhavi and Shambhavi to cancel their trip to Pimpalgadi. Meanwhile, an accident forces Swaraj to return home. Monday, the 10th of November 2025. Episode 85. While Sulakshana threatens Abhay, Ajay makes a shocking revelation about Pimpalgadi. Later, Swaraj decides to stay home after Shashikant falls down the stairs. Tuesday, the 11th of November 2025. Episode 86. Guruji tells Sulakshana that Kritika is not a suitable bride for Swaraj. A suspicious Sulakshana decides to keep an eye on Vaibhavi. Wednesday, the 12th of November 2025. Episode 87. Swaraj is elated when Vaibhavi arrives to tend to his father despite her injury. He then invites Vaibhavi and her grandmother to his father's ceremony. Thursday, the 13th of November 2025. Episode 88. Sulakshana plans to target Vaibhavi and warns the latter for getting closer to Swaraj. Later, Swaraj contemplates his decision to marry during the Haldi ceremony. Friday, the 14th of November 2025. Episode 89. Ghost Vaibhavi grows worried as she is unable to stop the Haldi ceremony. When Sulakshana accuses Vaibhavi of harming Kritika, Swaraj slams her blame. Saturday, the 15th of November 2025. Episode 90. Shashikant fails to alert Shambhavi about Sulakshana's evil motive. Later, Ajra warns Vaibhavi about a connection between Swaraj's house and Pimpalgadi. Sunday, the 16th of November 2025. Episode 91. Shambhavi is worried to see the picture drawn by Shashikant. When Sulakshana learns that Swaraj is lying to her, she blames Vaibhavi for the conflicts. Monday, the 17th of November 2025. Episode 92. While Abhay makes arrangements for the marriage, Ghost Vaibhavi decides to teach a lesson to Kritika. Elsewhere, Ajay informs Swaraj about Vaibhavi's ill health condition. Tuesday, the 18th of November 2025. Episode 93. Swaraj feels jittery while driving his car. Elsewhere, Kritika's Mehendi ceremony takes place on a grand note. Later, She gets locked in Swaraj's room. Wednesday, the 19th of November 2025. Episode 94. Durgesh offers to drive Swaraj and his family to the wedding arena. Ghost Vabhavi watches them and decides to stop the marriage. Thursday, the 20th of November 2025. Episode 95. Abhay stops Kritika from sharing her concerns with Deepthi before the wedding. Meanwhile, Swaraj wonders about his decision. Friday, the 21st of November 2025. Episode 96. While Shambhavi and Kabir go out for coffee, Vabhavi secretly escapes from her house. Elsewhere, Swaraj longs to meet Vabhavi before his wedding ceremony begins. Saturday, the 22nd of November 2025. Episode 97. During the wedding ceremony, Kritika faces an embarrassing moment when Swaraj saves Vabhavi from grave danger. Later, Swaraj gets admitted to the hospital. Sunday, the 23rd of November 2025. Episode 98. Sulakshana learns about Swaraj's critical health condition. While Vabhavi apologizes to her, the doctor reveals shocking news regarding Swaraj. Monday, the 24th of November 2025. Episode 99. While Kritika tries to commit suicide, Vabhavi feels sorry for Swaraj. Later, Shambhavi consoles an emotional Vabhavi. Tuesday, the 25th of November 2025. Episode 100. Aji is relieved when Vabhavi and Shambhavi return home at midnight. On the other hand, Vabhavi seeks revenge as Durgesh disrespects Swaraj. Wednesday, the 26th of November 2025. Episode 101. Vabhavi gets emotional after learning about Swaraj's blindness. Meanwhile, Sulakshana and Deepthi visit the doctor to learn about Swaraj's condition. Thursday, the 27th of November 2025. Episode 102. Sulakshana grows impatient and slaps Kritika when the latter accuses her of ruining her life. Later, Swaraj gets discharged from the hospital and enters Anandwan. Friday, the 28th of November 2025. Episode 103. Durgesh criticizes Swaraj's miserable condition while Kabir questions Vabhavi about the wedding ceremony. Later, Kritika meets Swaraj. Saturday, the 29th of November 2025. Episode 104. Swaraj longs to meet Vabhavi and asks for her, irking his family members. While Sulakshana is in trouble, Kritika asks Durgesh for help. Sunday, the 30th of November 2025. Episode 105. Ghost Vabhavi grows worried upon noticing a creepy shadow. On the other hand, Kritika and Durgesh join hands. Premiere episodes of Anamina air on Star Khanya from Mondays to Sundays at 21h00.